Now we'll show you briefly about the open source data collection tool. So you can find out in your bag material. This open data kit is an open source tool. You can use it freely for your tablet-based data collection. So this tool has three features. One is form designing. Separate. So this is separate. This is purely open source tool. Anybody can use it. It's developed by somebody from university. This is ODK is an open source tool. It's just a separate development for specific to our needs. Even if you look at the commercial market for this survey data collection application, there are a lot of applications available. But those are commercial. We need to pay something. But when it comes to the open source tool, where the software is purely for free, so there are a lot of applications. But these two are the main. What I feel. So out of which we'll look at the ODK toolkit. If you open this, this ODK toolkit has three features. One is form designing, where you can design our forms with the fields specific to our needs. And another feature is the web application, where you can see the collected data and you can generate a report. So when you look at the three features, one is build. You can build your survey form, and the second feature is collect. So that's going to store in your mobile device. You can go with your mobile device with this application to the form, field, your trial location. You can collect the data and you can sync the collected data with the server. Even the server you can configure with your Google account freely, and all the data can be aggregated and come to the server. Tanus, can you show the features, how we can build a form? This is the website, opendatakit.org, where you can get all the details.
Hi, good morning to everyone. So this is the Open Data Kit, which is mobile-based open data collection tool. So there are three parts, three modules. One is build, one is collect, and another one is aggregate. Build is nothing but to design a form, questionnaire. What are the survey questionnaire, what are the data questionnaire you want to create? You can design and build. So let us check what is build. Maybe you can go through your handouts, whatever their practice manual. It is written in there, what are the steps.
Go to page number 3.
So this is the first page of build. So maybe you can sign in or you can sign up. Yes, you should give a username, password, email. So, no. This is a separate account. So this is our account. We created for once you log in with your credentials. So this sign in there is KSIDMU. So you can rename your form for some sample. So these are the fields available. If you want to add a new field, you should click add new. Means this is add new is a new form or new page, whatever you can slide the page. So this is a text field. If you add a text field, you can give some names like a name of the farmer, some farmer, etc. So this is a numeric field, means how many acres the farmer owns. This is the date field. So on which date the survey is going on, the location, the GPS details.
This location is very much important because when you go to the field, you can capture the latitude, longitude, and even you can take the pictures so that we can download the data and we can show in the Google Map beautifully. Yes, Madhu.
This location means for comparison purpose, like sometime for our case, they go to the house, not to the field. We discuss with the house this thing.
Yes.
So you are assuming your field location to be 2 kilometers away from there. So where you might have one farmer who wants some standardized
No, that depends on where you take this information. If you take the information into at the farmer field, the farmer field location will be captured here. The same thing. If you enter at his home, the farmer home location will be captured here.
In the process, is there directly coming to server? Somebody check there also in the field supervisor,
yes,
like
yes, it's there.
10, 12, range, one body can also supervise, check the consistency of data anything, or
Now, once the data has been synced to the server, from here in the Patanjali campus, you can monitor that immediately.
so somebody assigned supervisor to check the somebody.
That depends on how you organize the survey. That depends. This is just for farm field data collection.
So then coming to the next media field, there you can capture a photo or you can give some video, you can give some audio. What the farmer is saying, you can record on the survey questionnaire. So these are the barcode media, means this is not confined to only agriculture sector. Barcode maybe from some marketing guys, some choose one multiple choice, some metadata, and you can group, a region group may contain a village, block, district, etc., country.
Even you can group all the farmer personal information or family information into a group, so that you can group that fields into a group, then you can download and you can generate reports.
So once you design the form, you can publish to aggregate. Aggregate is nothing but a Google Cloud which is offering a free space of 2 GB in Google. Some aggregate, or you can export to some file, and you can load a file, a survey questionnaire who is designed by some expert, or you can design your own questionnaire with a little technical knowledge. So after this, once you
Basically, once we are creating the form design, we create the form according to our the survey needs. Then we save this form and we'll export into our tablets or mobiles. Then with the form, we can go to the field and we can collect the information. And after syncing the collected data, the data is going to the Google account or any other server which we configured with this tool.
So once you design the form, you are ready to collect the information on your Android device, whether it's a mobile or tablet. So let us see what are the designed forms. Let us see in the tablet how we need to collect it.
This is the application. Once we load into our mobile or tablet, the form application will look like this. Yeah, now we can save and exit. Whenever you connected with the internet connection, then you can sync it. Otherwise, you can save locally, and whenever you have the internet connection, you can export to the server. Just select and send the form data. Yes, now the data uploaded successfully. Okay, now we can see, how it stores in the server relational data. Here we configure our data collection ODK toolkit server. A lot of open source tools, but I find this is good among all these. Maybe you can search internet, you can download based on your specific needs. You can use this, any other. Just now we exported from the tablet to the server. You can see the picture and other. Just we enter text, some random numbers. And because of the GPS locations you have collected using your tablet, the location can be visualized in the Google Map, because everybody knows Google Maps.
Showing this at Patanjali.
Suppose you conducted survey in Nagpur, one bullet point with pop-up will come in there, and we can share this to others. And the same way you can, all the information, whatever you have collected in the field, that can be visible here.
So you can
Show the pie chart. Everything is free. But how we use it, that depends on us. You show the export feature. Click the download. Even you can configure your Google account, you can configure your own server, your own system, where you have the relation database. That there are a lot of options where you can store the data. So that's survey. We are showing the free Google account. Because when we use this Google account, immediately you can show your results in the Google Map. Any other export features? This is the data what we collected just now. Even your Android mobile or tab, any mobile you can use this purpose. It depends on how many questions you have in your questionnaire, whether this screen is sufficient for the question or that screen is sufficient. That depends on us and your budget availability. That is there in the handout.
So you just create app spot. So you can go to this Google App Engine tutorial. You can go steps. What is the you can configure with your own Gmail account. Own Gmail.
Just show me this. Takes us time.
It will take time. Thank you.
Is there any other questions? If you don't have any other questions, then we'll ask Abhishek to give his presentation on data curation analysis.